Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Abdhafid and this is my IoT channel. And today we are building a distance sensor with an LCD display. So let's get started. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, like and share our video. Potentiometer. So now let us see our components. So as we know, first we will use the Arduino board. We always use the breadboard also. And the main tool, ultrasonic sensor. And in this project, we add LCD module so we can see the distance in the screen. And there is two things. This is called active buzzer, so we can hear the sound when we get closer to the sensor. And this, so we can adjust the light of our LCD screen. So those are the main components. But in this project, we will need a lot of jumper wire. So let us get started. In the LCD modules, as you see, there's a lot of pins that we can use. So we need to connect those pins to our Arduino board. So we will do like this. And the second thing will be the ultrasonic sensor, and we will put beside the LCD. The third thing is the Arduino active buzzer. We will put it near to the ultrasonic sensor. But before that, if you see it, there is a plus, so which means this side is the positive and this is the negative. So let us put it around the ultrasonic sensor, and this we will put it around the LCD because we will use it. So it has three pins, this one, the center, and the left and right. So we will face the middle one toward LCD. So let us start wiring. Well, because of the lot of wiring, I will put every step in the screen so you can follow along. And now go to your computer and copy the code in the link in the description and paste in the Arduino IDE. So as you see, our screen is not showing anything, but there's sound. So you will slowly reduce the brightness. Yeah.